Matongoretio ni murugamiriri wao Peter Tena ethari ngoya ni maugite mihango yo heani wa migunda ni yambite kurugama thutha wa ihinda ria maabitha kamiti ya migunda guku bururi-ini guthira. Tena ni ongereire kuga ati ni kugite na ngucanio gatagati ka ministry ya migunda na kamiti ya migunda undu uria maugite utumite a Kenya ingi aria marabatara uteithio wa wabici cieri maherithike.
There are people who are in the Ministry of Land who are stooges. They are not civil servants. They are there to protect a certain title. They are there to protect a certain interest. You have found it in NLSC. Look at how they have been moved up and down. Even NGOs fighting NLC, which is a constitutional office.
Ethai ngoya ya moretie thirikari gutigirira kamiti ya migunda ni yahanda hari gutigirira ni arutira muingi wira uria kwagiriire.
We ask the president to intervene so that we can be given people who are patriots, people who are honest, people who are nationalists to work in the Ministry of Land and also in the Ministry of Interior. Because the two ministries, they carry our life.
Ningi ni moretie andu mahamurithio magakorwo makiheo marua ma kumateithiriria gucokerio migunda yao niguo kugiririria kwegwatirwo kwa migunda yo ni turia nime. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njahĩra Wanjeri.